Hello guys. In this video I'm going to show you a unique method of learning English, which is learning English by reading comments. To support me making more videos, please subscribe. But before explaining this issue, I want to explain the reason for its importance. As the statistics show, on average, each person daily spend 2 hours and 27 minutes on social media, and it's quite usual this people comment on contents or check comments on each content which they are interested in. I personally saw this as a huge opportunity to learn English, and I got great results doing this. Learning English by reading comments. This is a great method of learning that has not been discussed much. Before I show you how I do it, I want to mention some benefits of doing this. The first thing is that by doing this you can communicate more with the English language, and it is obvious that by interacting more with any language causes better understanding, therefore more effective learning. Another point is that everyday people put new comments on contents which make you up to date with new slangs, idioms and phrases. For example, this comment: "So how do I get the alternate ending where I pass the vibe check?" Vibe check is a new slang. It describes when you check in on someone's vibe and assess what it's giving. Next point is about the time that you know the context of the video when you read its comments. For example, when you see a video about music, you will know that comments are about music and the words and slangs are about music, which makes your learning more effective. And the other point is, for most viewed videos, that if the video was practical, usually someone paraphrases it as a short summary, as you see here. It makes much better understanding of that video if you first read these comments. Now, let's see an example and how it works. Look at this comment on a video about how to making short movies. Look at the slang. That short film about the dead dad really hits home. Now, if you want to know the meaning of hits home, you simply need to search its definition on Google, and as I did, hit home mean effect on audience. Always remember that it's best to search for the English meaning. We have a lot of more examples on social media, and you can improve your English learning simply by reading these comments. I hope you've got the point. Now, it's your turn to expand this space of learning by commenting videos. Thank you for watching. Please comment your feedback.